She covered up my best wound, not dyed me young, but to keep me warm. We went to Wales on a sailboat in a lightning storm. She covered up my best wound, not dyed me young, but to keep me warm. I stayed up counting stars and hungering for you, to find out what the kid was like. And in the lonely dark that always precedes you, I was the secret in your game. We went to Wales on a sailboat in a lightning storm. She covered up my best wound, not tied me up, but to keep me warm. We went to Wales on a sailboat in a lightning storm. She covered up my best wound, not tied me up, but to keep me warm. Beneath the storm, like she's always done, 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 like she's always done. We went to Wales on a sailboat in a lightning storm. She covered up my face, ooh, not tied me up, but to keep me warm, like she's always done. Master, don't sleep anymore. Little shade on a broken floor, thread of dark on his ragged heart, where I held him before. Once he was king of the thieves, killer smile and a rose in his teeth, and mama, no vision governed me. Now in his eyes I see no pain, little hope was left, and when that sickness came, in the road with a trembling frame was a shade I had known. And it was foolish to pray, but I undressed by the light of his phone. And I knelt in the dust and confessed that I could not go on. Oh, there's a woman in the road. She's lost like a leper in a street on Savile Road. Oh, there are voices in my home. What they said I just don't know. Lowered eyes and hands I long to hold. heart formed in a figure of hate. All that I knew was that heavenly weight, laying low in the dark. He bared his throat by the river plains, told me those were not stars, those were lights from the cranes. But I wished on them all the same, and bled into his arms. Then leaning in close, he said, I love you the most, but I've still gotta go. And mama, I done fell in love with a dead boy I know. Oh, there's a woman in the road. She's lost like a leper in a street on Saddle Road. Oh, there are voices in my home. What they said I just don't know. Lowered eyes and hands I long now to hold. So come now to speak his name, and see this life is a violent game.